So, you're looking to start an LLC in Texas. We've got you covered. We'll walk you through the 6 most important steps to set up your Texas LLC and show you how it can take only a few minutes to file, whether you're using a service or doing it yourself. And as a bonus, we'll show you a few shortcuts and how you might be able to reduce or eliminate those formation fees altogether. If you happen to be coming from one of our older videos, you may have noticed we've added an extra step. That's because the Beneficial Ownership Information Report, or BOI, is a new requirement as of 2024. And failing to report comes with $500 a day in fines, but more on that later. So, these are the 6 main steps to form your LLC in Texas, starting with Step 1, choosing a name. The first step is deceptively important, since many naming issues are actually the primary cause of LLC filing rejections in Texas. Of course, you want a name that you love, but you should also follow these rules. The name should end with Limited Liability Company, Limited Company, Limited Co., LLC, or LC. Avoid names that suggest your LLC is a government agency, bank, insurance company, or any other business requiring special licensing. Avoid using any words that imply you're a different business entity, such as Corp, Inc., Nonprofit, etc. And your chosen name must be unique, and it must be different from all existing names. Visit our Texas formation page to find important links and learn more about the naming guidelines set by the Texas Secretary of State. You can also easily check the availability of your chosen name for free by conducting a Texas business name search through the Texas portal online or by calling this number. Pro tip, calling often gets you more up-to-date and detailed information. And if you call early in the morning, there isn't much of a wait either. Step 2, find a resident agent. After you find the right name for your LLC, you will need to nominate a Texas registered agent. This is a necessary step when completing your certificate of formation, but more on that in the next step. A registered agent is an individual or business entity responsible for receiving important legal documents on behalf of your business. You can think of your registered agent as your business's primary point of contact with the state. The agent must have a physical address in Texas or be an entity authorized to conduct business in the state. You can be your own registered agent or appoint a friend or family member for this role. They'll need to sign a quick consent statement, but you don't have to file it with the state. Texas provides a form you can use for this called Acceptance of Consent Form 401-A. Just remember the name and address of the registered agent will become public record. And no, you can't get around it by using a P.O. box or mail service like UPS. Paying for a professional service to fill in for you is about $10 a month or less. Besides the privacy this offers, it saves you hours you could dedicate to your business. If you use Northwest, they'll provide agent services to you for free for 1 year, and they've got an option to file that BOI for you too, just for $9 a year. Check our special discount link for savings. We've partnered with Northwest and may earn a commission, but we genuinely do recommend their service for its value and privacy protection. Step 3, filing your LLC Certificate of Formation. Next up is filing your LLC Certificate of Formation, also known as the Articles of Organization. This document includes crucial information such as your LLC's name, the registered agent's name and address, and whether the LLC will be managed by managers or members. To file your LLC Certificate of Formation, you'll need to complete Form 205 and pay a filing fee of $300 at the time of making this video. However, if you're out of state, you'll need to file Form 304 instead with a filing fee of $750. There are 3 ways to file your LLC Certificate of Formation in Texas. The quickest option is to file online through the Texas Secretary of State's website. We highly recommend this method as it typically takes around 13 to 15 business days for approval. You can also file by mail by filling out and downloading Form 205. You can expect to get a response in 4 to 8 weeks. Faxing the completed form or delivering it by courier are also valid options. Here's a pro tip that's special to Texas. If you're a veteran, you may be eligible to file for free. Simply obtain a veteran verification letter, complete Form 05-904, certification of a new veteran-owned business, and submit it along with Form 205. In addition, your franchise tax will be waived for up to 5 years. As of right now, this is valid until December 31st, 2025. Step 4, creating an LLC operating agreement. Although not required by Texas law, it's highly recommended to create an LLC operating agreement. This document outlines important details about your LLC's ownership structure and operating rules. It covers aspects such as members' rights and responsibilities, profit distribution, and internal procedures. This keeps everyone on the same page and minimizes future conflicts. Some banks may even ask for one and a business plan when you open a business bank account or pursue loans. To make things easier for you, we've provided a free operating agreement template on our formation page. You'll find it right below this section. We've also included a free business plan generator there too. Step 5, Obtaining an LLC EIN, Employer Identification Number. You can get an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS for free. It's used to identify a business entity and keep track of a business's tax reporting. It is essentially a social security number for the company. You'll need the EIN to open a business bank account, manage federal and state taxes, and hire employees. The process is super simple and completely free of charge through the federal government. Make sure you're on the official website. Only after you get confirmation that your LLC's name information have been approved, then head to the federal government's IRS application portal and fill out the online form. Step 6. File the Beneficial Ownership Information Report. Beginning January 2024, LLC owners need to file a Beneficial Ownership Information Report, or BOI, with the U.S. Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN. New LLCs will need to file their report within 90 days of formation. The BOI report contains information meant to identify the true owners of an LLC. There is no charge for filing it. Failure to file an accurate report on time can result in a $500 per day fine. You can do this online or by mail. For detailed information on how to do this, you can check out our tutorial here and linked below. Post-formation steps. After you've successfully formed your LLC, there are a few important things left to take care of. 1. Get a separate business checking account and business credit card. Hiring an accountant can help you manage your finances effectively. Keeping your business assets and transactions separate from personal ones maintains the limited liability protection provided by your LLC. This is what people mean when they reference the corporate veil. 2. Having business insurance is wise and often required as all businesses face risks. And 3. Set up a business website. If you're interested in building your website yourself, the links below will guide you. And lastly, 4. Each year, you'll need to file a Texas franchise tax report and a public information report. The franchise tax is a privilege tax for doing business in Texas and comes with liability protections provided by state law. Texas franchise tax reports are due annually by May 15th, starting from the year after your LLC is formed. However, if your annual revenues are less than $1,230,000, you won't have to pay the tax. To simplify the process, a professional service like Northwest, who we mentioned earlier, charge a nominal fee and can help manage things like this for you, as well as serve as a hotline for answering any questions, which saves you time and effort so you can focus on actually running your business. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up an LLC in Texas. All the resources mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. We hope you found this video really useful. If you have any more questions, explore the rest of our channel and website for free resources and guides to start your Texas business. If you have any questions, hit us up.